Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send videos without losing quality on WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open WhatsApp and go to the settings menu by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once inside settings, scroll down and select Storage and Data. This section contains options for how WhatsApp manages media files. Next, under the Media Quality section, tap on Upload Quality. By default, WhatsApp usually compresses videos by keeping the setting on auto or standard quality, which reduces the clarity. To avoid this, simply switch the option to HD quality. This ensures that when you send videos, they are shared in high resolution, keeping details sharp and clear. After changing the setting, open any chat and send a video. You will notice the video now displays an HD tag, confirming it was sent in higher quality. So that's basically how you can send videos without losing quality on WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.